Hi, Dustin. Direct May, ikaw muna. Ayan, miss kita. Hi, Direct May, kumusta? Okay, kanina, bonggang-bongga. Welcome back to MMFF, the highest grossing MMFF director. So, Direct, you've done so
When
many...
was your last?
Rewind, I think.
Rewind? Yeah.
Siyempre na kanina banggit mo na nakakapanibago mga kabatch natin to, direct. So, now my question would be, kasi you've done so many films already, iba-iba yung ano. So, anong challenge yung hinarap mo dito sa film na to? Going into this na, this is the... Siyempre, in every project may challenge na. What do you think is the biggest challenge that you face in this project?
Biggest challenge? Well, one, kasi like what I said, they were together in PBB. So, real persons yun. Kahit sila sinasabi nila yun, uy, magtatrabaho na tayo together, aarte na tayo, hindi ito PBB. So, it's reminding them of yung, what's this, yung sa, na acting na to, hindi ito real life. Next is, siguro yung nakakapanibago kasi wala kaming si Bianca lang ang kilala ko talaga dun sa tatlo. So, for me, si Will and si Dustin, first time ko silang makakatrabaho. And then, yung easy naman for me yung sa chemistry kasi there's instant chemistry for both love teams. So, that was the easy part actually kasi meron sila. Ang bilis nila makuha yun yung mga scenes na pagkilig and all. Alam nila yung mga tinginan. Parang parang hindi nila first time. Pero for me, the challenge was, paano nga babalansehin? Paano natin ipipigain pa? Kasi we don't want just, like, okay, kilig. We want them to become, na maging aktor. Hindi lang yung parang, pakilig lang to. This is not just a film with fluff and kilig. This has depth in terms of what the youth are going through, family dynamics. There's a family, the family plays a big role in building the characters, kung ano yung kwento ng mga bawat character dito. So, kailangan paintindi sa kanila yon yung, because they are new and ngayon ko lang sila nakatrabaho. It's honing the craft, the love for acting, and also the skills involved. It's not just pakilig, it's not just, we are acting here. Kailangan mong turuan ng malawakan. So yun. So that was maybe for me, one of the biggest challenges yun.
Franz, masingit ko lang, no? While Will and Bianca entered... Sige, go ahead, Will. Na-direct may si Dustin nakausap ko kanina, nagkaroon kami ng pocket interview kanina, and kinakwento niya sa akin na ang dami-dami niyang natutunan. Especially with you. Na parang, ano yung sinabi sa akin, Dustin, na ano yung binagit mo kanina sa pocket interview natin na sinabi ni Direk May, you have to trust me?
Well, basically talagang nalabas ni Direk May sa akin yung pagiging isang aktor ko. Kasi baguhan pa lang naman din talaga ako sa industriya, pero si Direk May talaga yung nagtanggal ng fears ko. Siya talaga yung nagbigay ng comfort sa akin sa pag-arte. Siya nagtanggal lahat ng
Walls
ko. As in, tapos talagang siyempre, wala naman kaming masyadong time para ulit-ulitin niya sa akin. But then again, ang importante sa akin, ang talagang na-appreciate ko is yung comfort afterwards. Grabe talaga. So,
what an experience, yeah.
Sobra, as in grabe. Ito yung pinaka talagang malalang experience ata na naranasan ko dito sa industriya.
Si Dustin naman kasi sa Sponge.
That's right.
As in, he is so willing to learn. And masarap turuan yung gustong magpaturo.
Tama.
Masarap, direct, yung gusto magpa-direct. Kasi kung hindi willing, kung sarado, you can only go so far. Hindi mo pwedeng mapilit eh. Pero with Dustin, actually the three of them naman, parang sobra yung willingness gumulong sa lupa, game. Alam mo yun, parang walang tulog, game. Okay, as in talagang sila. 101%.
Wow.
And I really appreciate that. I think that made my life easier. And kaya nga parang it takes two to tango. So I can't just do it myself. Kailangan may willingness. And pag sinabing jump, ang sinasagot nila how high. Yun.
Wow. Impressive. Miss France?
Thank you very much, Direk, and congrats. And then, of course, for the team, congratulations, guys. Okay.
Thank you.
I saw Bianca the artist. Sabi ko, alam mo, you reminded me the last time na I think na engrossed talaga yung mga tao sa Love Triangle was sa MMFF din way back 9 years ago, yung Vince and Kat and James. So, parang may ganong So, may question now. I-rephrase ko lang yung question kasi parang natanong na somewhere. So, question is ngayon, for Will and Dustin, kung ngayon kakausapin nyo si Bianca as Savannah. My question will complete the sentence. Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi blank. Kung imagine na natin may nasa climax side ng movie, ako ang piliin mo because, ano yung something about you that, but it comes to a point na Savannah has to choose. Ako yung piliin mo because.
Yung press natin, ang hilig mag-fill in the blanks lately, ha?
Yes. Kasi sa MJ, ang hirap ng movie, so yun.
Mahirap Miss France.
But anyway, before
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi blank.
Yes. Congratulations, guys.
Ah.
Direct May, and hello po sa Caswayne and everyone. Send me hello.
Okay. Ano to ha? As character. Reminding you ha, as Dustin.
Character lang to. Okay. Savannah, piliin mo ko kasi Ano ba gawin to nang hindi masaspoil?
Baka ma-spoil eh. Okay. No, think of something na hindi i-Easter egg na very, very vague. Sampulan mo kami, Cyril Manaba.
Sige nga.
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi...
Magaling ako magluto.
Ayun!
That's galing.
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi nanood tayo ng concert na naka-tricycle.
Kasi maaga ako natutulog.
Okay, Will.
Savannah, piliin mo ko kasi I'll let you experience the world with my love. Buong puso. Period.
Haba ng period. Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi I will show you the world with my love.
Methodology.
Dustin, ikaw naman. Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi...
Ako, Savannah, piliin mo kasi mamahalin kita kahit na sino ka man.
Pwede. Bianca, ano masasabi mo dyan, Savannah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yan.
Maganda yan. Okay. Next,